सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
यस 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 नो माइक ये करके रखता है। ओके फाइन, माय बैड।
सर येलो कलर मत यूज कीजिए।
आई एम जस्ट चेंजिंग, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल। MATLAB is getting heated up. Okay, it's your 3 into 144.33 angle 4.93, right? And your S is your 1000 into what is the angle? Angle was where it is gone. Okay, 36. Okay, so your angle was 1000 into is conjugate, so you'll write 36.87, right? So on calculating, I will get around a value of 40, 41.8. This will be your MV, right? So on solving this particular part in a complex manner, okay, or in rectangular form, you will get a P and Q value also. Another in this, it is asks your voltage regulation. So what is your voltage regulation? It is, let me see, it's working. No, so I have to use this only. Okay. So your VR, okay, percentage VR is your Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100. Okay, so we know Vs value, Vr value, we will compute and we could find. Next is your efficiency. We have to find efficiency. So efficiency could easily be found using, as we know the powers. Okay, so it will be your P across receiving end by P across your sending end into 100. Okay, so whatever data we'll get, we could easily solve this. Okay, now I don't want to waste much time on solving this. You could solve. Okay, now what we will do is we'll see your MATLAB instead. Okay, now this is a headache. Zoom can't use parallel things. Okay, now this is what I used for telling you about fertility effect, right? So we'll use same, we'll remove some of the components that is we not used of. Okay, we will require these particular segment. Okay, we have to draw using these components only, so we'll use. Now is a three-phase source, right? So what data we were supposed to put as per the these questions, which data, what was the value of your
127.20.
okay.
102.
Okay, this face to face, right? It was 127, right?
Yes, sir.
And what was your angle?
0.
60 degree, 60 degree. Angle was your 0. We don't require this particular form. We don't want to go for this, so it's okay. Okay, now voltage measurement will be face to face or face to ground. We'll use face to face. Okay, current measurement, yes, we required current measurement, so you will write okay, right? Shift little this, because using this only we could calculate your power and all. We'll shift this particular unit into this particular part. So it will be, yeah, recording. Okay, so we copy V. It is well done for RMS segment. Copy V. We'll go for this particular segment. We'll extend this part. Okay, we'll remove this instead. Okay, once if you could draw the okay. So this data has been done. Okay. we got your three-phase value. We got
Sir, will you please explain the circuit once?
okay. Your circuit would be what I'm gonna design is I'm just drawing. Okay, there would be a 3-4 okay three-phase sending end voltage. Okay, we'll use a short okay this one is this part. Okay, three-phase pi segment. Okay, I'm using a line okay of 40 kilometer long. Okay, of this R and L value where C would be not present. Okay, and we'll be getting a three-phase at this point. Okay, from the receiving end. Now what we'll be seeing the efficiency. Okay, whatever data we have calculated, we'll see all the data is in this. Okay, we'll see your efficiency. What is the efficiency of this this transmission line, how much power it transmitting. We'll see the voltage regulation, what is the voltage regulation of this whole setup. Okay, what is the your Q, what is your P at this particular segment at sending end, what is the value of P, what is your Q, what is V and I values. Okay, what is your V and I value at this particular segment. Okay, at receiving end and at sending end voltage. Right now, as you know, why I'm designing this particular part. Okay, because you could solve this thing in both the ways, either by simulating that ABCD parameter. Okay, you could solve using this short circuit line, or you could go using the coding. So I will going through the both the ways. Okay, so first I will allow you to draw entire short transmission line. Okay, we will be drawing a short transmission line. What just we have solved the numerical on using same data. Okay, and we'll see whether all datas are coming equivalent or not. Okay, we'll see that all the data are similar or not. Okay, so we'll go accordingly right now. And as okay, the ABCD parameter will talk later. Okay, so let me erase this and let me draw the further. Okay, and you could also learn how to get these. Okay, like for if you are drawing your this particular part. Okay, that is your voltage regulation. Okay, so for voltage regulation you need a formula. So how you could use that particular formula and you could define. Okay, you could, and what is the efficiency. Okay, so how this you could calculate efficiency. You could also learn these things while designing this particular point. If in future courses, if it will be useful for you all to design any parametric value in this software. Okay, let me open up your library. Okay, from where we'll get use data. Okay. Okay, so what we have given, we have boosted up this your three-phase source for measuring your current and your voltage values. We have used RMS. Okay, that will be changing in this RMS values. Okay, so it will be measuring for current for all the three phases, and it will be measuring the voltage of for all the three phases. Okay, now so according to the question, let me open the first question. Okay, 220 volt. Okay, fine. Okay. So this is done. This segment is done. Okay, so we'll measure the power. Okay, we have calculated your V, we have calculated your I, and we'll see only the power. So how to get that? You could click on this particular part, or you could also connect the load, as the load data has been also given. You also connect the so 3 phase series.
सर एप्लीकेशन का नाम क्या है?
MATLAB.
MATLAB. सर कहीं से इंस्टॉल करना है या फिर इसको बाय करना होगा?
इंस्टॉल भी कर सकते हो. देयर इज अ फ्री लिंक. ओके, लिंक मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगा, पर ये है कि इट्स हैवी. ओके, यू रिक्वायर्ड हैवी डाटा. जैसे अगर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव लेटेस्ट वर्जन, इट विल अराउंड 19 GB. जो मेरा है वो 19 GB ये करता है. दैट्स व्हाई व्हेनेवर आई यूज इट्स स्ट्रक्स. ओके, इट्स
और सर सारा कंस्ट्रक्शन का पार्ट जो है वो किया हुआ है या करना पड़ता है?
किसमें?
जो सर्किट कंस्ट्रक्ट किए हैं वो खुद ही करना है या फिर क्या हो रहा है?
नहीं, जैसे ये जो एक कंपोनेंट है, राइट, ये बना हुआ है. इट इज अ योर GUI. ओके, ग्राफिकल इंटरफेस है, दैट इज ऑलरेडी बीन मेड. इसके अंदर में जो लॉजिक चलता है वो ये करना पड़ता है, राइट. दैट वी हैव टू कोड एंड ऑल. कुछ नया बनाना जा रहे हो, दैट एक पर्टिकुलर कंपोनेंट, जैसे एक तुम कोई AC जनरेटर बना रहे हो, राइट. So with the
Yes.
help of coding, you have to write particular part, okay, और generate, ताकि ये plug and play वाला काम कर सके, right. You have to code that, तब ये symbols आएगा. There is lot of interior part है जो that is already been research, and वो MATWorks जो MATLAB की कंपनी हो, they researchers and engineers do though, right. और इसमें जो है ये डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा. यहाँ जो लाइब्रेरी जो सेगमेंट है, जो लाइब्रेरी सेगमेंट है, इसमें जाओगे, you will get everything. Okay, like you will get most of this in your Sims map. Okay, इसको बड़ा कर दूंगा. Okay, there is your, yeah, in this particular point you will get everything.
सर जो प्रैक्टिकल लिखने दिए थे वो
Yeah.
समझ में नहीं आया, डाटा कैसे लिखना है, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल बना नहीं पा रहे.
For which particular segment?
सर फेरांटी इफेक्ट का.
Current effect, right. देखो उसमें क्या क्या मैं डाटा प्रोवाइड किया हूँ. Just a minute. Yeah, these data I have provided you, right. So मैं करना क्या है बता रहा हूँ. You have to write aim, right. Pattern effect लिख दो, डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा. सेकेंड इज योर थ्योरी, राइट. थ्योरी में अबाउट दैट इफेक्ट यू हैव टू राइट एंटायर थिंग. ओके, नाउ थर्ड है सर्किट डायग्राम होता है, राइट. सो इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन प्रोवाइडेड, जस्ट उसको पेस्ट कर देना है. ओके, नाउ apparatus or software required. Do not write apparatus, you could write software MATLAB. Okay, software MATLAB लिख दोगे. Then there is a segment that is your tabulations. Okay, or you could write as a data table. Okay, और इसको ये डाल सकते हो, ये 3 सेगमेंट करके डाल सकते हो, राइट. फॉर लोड पार्ट, ये हमारा लोड पार्ट के लिए हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी फॉर योर लोड. ओके, 3 फेज पैरेलल RLC लोड है जिसमें इंडक्टिव इसका वैल्यूज will give this. Okay, and this is for your that transmission line का डाटा है, right? That is
मतलब
your
सर उसमें पूरा कैलकुलेशन नहीं करना है, मतलब रिसीविंग एंड वोल्टेज एंड रिसीविंग एंड करंट वो सब नहीं फाइंड करना,
नहीं उसमें
यही
करना है
डाटा
ना।
को लिख देना है।
यस ये डाटा लिखोगे और ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल जो आएगा एक, उसमें लिख दोगे, राइट? मैं रन करके उसमें सेंड किया हूँ, व्हाट वाज योर सेंडिंग एंड वोल्टेजेस एंड व्हाट यू गॉट एट रिसीविंग एंड, दैट्स इट, बस यही लिखना है, ठीक है? कि सेंडिंग एंड वोल्टेज कितना था और रिसीविंग एंड वोल्टेज कितना था, राइट? और कंक्लूजन यू हैव टू राइट बाय योर ओन सेल्फ, ओके? यू डू नॉट हैव टू शेयर एनीथिंग और यू डू नॉट हैव टू मेंशन एनीथिंग, ठीक है?
सर
या यस निखिल।
सर मैं पूछ रहा था सर, डाटा पिछला प्रैक्टिकल में जो डाटा सर स्क्रीनशॉट लिए थे वही डाटा पेस्ट कर देंगे सर?
सेम डाटा,
ओके सर।
सेम डाटा ही दिया हूँ मैं, कुछ चेंज नहीं किया हूँ मैं। जो बनाया था जो ऑलरेडी LMS में है उसी का एक स्क्रीनशॉट
जी
लेकर
सर।
के मैंने सेंड कर दिया, ठीक है? आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग
ओके सर।
एक्स्ट्रा, ओके?
ओके सर।
मुझे बना के लाना चाहिए था, जो भी बेटर, टाइम कम जाता है इसमें। Let me find only three things. It's not coming. Should be there. Just a minute. Electrical, अच्छा इसमें था ना, sources we have already taken, switch, subscribe, power system, box. Okay, I got. Okay, this being added, so that would be connected at this particular end. Right, इसका भी we have to change it, that we required current. Okay, okay, right, it's done. इसका data, let's put out this data, it will be your 0. I will connect this as your RL. How much was resistance? Resistance का कितना है? 0.15 into 40 hours, 6 ohms. And now how much was the inductance value? 1.5. Okay, it is
1.3263 millihenry.
so किया था ना into 40, we have to write about all. Okay,
Sir 0.5.
okay. No. It is not about for this. Okay, just a minute. 1 e to power 3. ये इसके लिए नहीं था. It was for this particular segment. ये इसका था, right? It was 60. Resistance value was, consider this 0 to 6. Inductance value was कितना? Let's consider this as 0 and this as your 53 था, right? 53 to power 3, right? Milliampere में था. This would be your 0 0. And this was your 40 kilometer. Okay, right? This was your 3-phase pi segment line. This is done. This is done. Will require this particular segment at this unit, and it will be attached, right? So now, so receiving end voltage is receiving and current is been done. Okay, यहाँ पे sending end voltage and this is been done, right? Now it is left with your powers. Okay, we'll see how to connect this particular elements. Okay, now so to connect your power at that particular point, we'll have a few Simulink this by segment LC branch. No, not in this.